All right, the Milwaukee Packout Vac, and you've probably heard about these fleece bags that everybody recommends that you get when you get a Packout Vac. If you're new to Packout Vac like I was this week, you're wondering, okay, are these worth it? What do they do? How do you get them installed? We're going to go over all of that, and at the end of the video, I'm going to go around the house, suck up a bunch of stuff that the wife wants cleaned up, and then we're going to see if the inside of the Packout Vac, if this is going to keep it all contained. First off, the purpose of these fleece bags are to basically take out all of the fine particulates, kind of like your drywall dust, fireplace ashes, things like that, so that it doesn't affect the main HEPA filter that's inside, because that's like $25, $30. These, a 3-pack of these, and just to let you guys know, $49.90 2016. Comes in a 3-pack on Home Depot online. It's about $20 for 3 of them, so a little pricey, but not as pricey as your HEPA filter that's on the inside. What do they do exactly? Here is your HEPA filter, and these, like I said, are a little bit more expensive. We don't want this to get clogged up, so what these bags do is take out all of the fine particles, basically everything, and keeps them contained in the bag to where when you throw it away, the inside of your Packout Vac is nice and clean still. You don't have to be breathing that stuff in when you open it up and everything kind of gets kicked out. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to show you how to install it. It's actually fairly simple, and I say that because I've done it a few times this week. Let's start with a brand new bag. You're going to notice inside of the canister here, if you don't have the bag, all of that dirt gets put back, is all contained in here, so it can get kind of messy. These bags have a cardboard collar on them with these tabs, and what you're going to do is basically just slide it up in here like that, and that's all you have to do. So if you see this tab, just make sure this is on top and goes all the way to the end, and you just kind of use your thumb to kind of just make sure it's secure. Okay, now in the bag that you get, you're going to have one of these adapters, and it took me a good while to figure out what this is for, because I don't do any research, I don't read anything, don't read the instructions. But if you notice on here, it's going to be hard for the camera to pick up, this is for the M12 vac up here at the top. So you don't need this if you're using these bags for the Packout Vac. You can kind of store it, get rid of it, whatever. All right, so now that we've got the fleece bag installed, the wife has a few things around the house that she wants us to clean up and vacuum out. We're going to do that, and then I'm going to show you at the end how clean these bags keep your Packout Vac. So let's go. All right, my Packout brothers and sisters, this is actually the 3rd time that I've tried making this video. The first 2 times my mic wasn't working, and then on the 3rd time when we were going around doing all of the work, the dogs, they hate vacuums of any sort. So both Penny and Scout were going crazy. You can kind of see them lunging at the vacuum. It was kind of crazy. So when it was, the dogs were barking and going after the Packout, but you can see all of the things that were going around cleaning up, sucking up. And here's a weird one. Penny here, our little corgi, hates vacuums the most, but she likes eating soil from the pots. I don't get it. I don't understand. So she was a little distracted by the soil. Scout's attacking the vacuum, and then Penny starts attacking Scout. It was a madhouse filming this. But you guys are getting a pretty good idea at the types of stuff that you can suck up with the vacuum, fine particulates and such. And I'm going to show you here at the end of the video how these bags keep everything clean and then keep your HEPA filter clean as well. You see, cleaning the ceiling fans, cleaning the air returns throughout the house. Before, I would use the shop vac and lug that around. This is a lot easier to do with Packout. And just to show you how well this does with, let's say, fireplace ash, because that really clogs things up, we're going to do our fireplace with some ash left over from this winter. And I'm going to show you guys how well these bags do. And it pretty much, even after we got done here, there was a lot of suction power still, even though the bag is probably caked in this ash. Now back to the original video where I was showing the Packout Vac after we got done cleaning everything up. And as we open it up, you can see the Packout Vac is pristine, nice and clean. Everything is contained within that fleece bag. Cleanup is easier. Dumping it out is easier. I highly recommend getting these fleece bags if you're new to the Packout Vac. Go ahead and grab them. And if you guys know of a place to where we can buy these kind of in bulk and get the price cheaper than $6-7 a bag. Again, the 3-pack at Home Depot is about $20. So if you have a place that you get your bags in bulk, let me know.